month he gave a talk on motor controls and demoed some of his boards. So I just wanted to show one of his boards that I bought off of his website for a whole $2 and that he actually delivered to me in person.
That's super service.
Hooked up to a, if the wire hadn't fallen off. So it's got a couple of H bridges that are being pulse width modulated by an Arduino. So I just took the analog, used the analog write call for the Arduino that drives a pulse width modulated signal, and wired it up to the enable pin on the motor controller. And that was about all there was to it. It was like real simple, worked first time, took about 20 or 30 lines of code in the Arduino to do. So Jose's motor controller works great. So I just wanted to share that.
How much current do you have going to that motor?
I haven't measured how much current this one's drawing. Jose suggests that the motor controllers with their current heat sinking, which is just laying on the circuit board, are good for maybe 2 or 3 amps, right? The H bridges themselves are rated at 30 amps, and so if you want to stand them up and put a better heat sink on them, and maybe some, depending on what kind of cooling, if you used forced air cooling or whatever, you could bump that up, as far as 30, or there are even 60 amp versions, 60 and 70 amp versions of the H bridge. Not sure if you push it that far, the vias might just start in the circuit board might start to melt. But
what was your total cost then to build that circuit board?
So the circuit board from Jose cost a whole $2, and the H bridges were about $9 a piece, $9.50. So total bit here over $20.
Excellent.
That's fantastic.
But you sell them also assembled as well, right?
I used to, but I've been swamped at work, so I haven't had a chance to build it. If I ever feel
your pain.
So anyway, it's real easy to build, and so I just wanted to share with folks that.
That's a great
I just wanted to add that the board as it is, I was able to move my R2D2, which is 120 pounds. So I didn't use any heat sinking at all, no fan. So I think that as they are, they can take 10 amps easily. It was PWM though, so it was not DC.
Wow, that's great.
So I think it can do 10 amps as it is.
Can it do 24 volts?
I'm running 24 volts.
Oh, okay.
But I have had some issues. If you have a lot of back EMF, it may damage the H bridges because they are rated Apps Max is 28.
Oh, okay. So you're getting close. Okay, but still, that's a lot of power. Great.
Yes.
Thank you very much.